For this one, you're going to turn the car to the on position so that the car is on, but it doesn't necessarily have to be running. Then we'll just stop it right in the middle. A little dirty. To get this back, you're going to put these in the slot right here and right here, and then this side will go down. Back. All right. Last thing. Take everything out of here. For this, you're going to just squeeze right here and pop this out. The whole thing comes off. All right, once you get the glove box out, you'll just pull these two little tabs to reveal your filter area. This is a little different than the other ones. What you're going to do is you're just going to squeeze on this right side right here, pull, and then you'll see these two little tabs go inside of a slot. Then your tray will come out. There's a bug in there. Now, pay attention to this up arrow on your filter. You're going to have an arrow. You want to make sure that it points in the right direction. Slide it in. Put it back the same way. This goes on first. Squeeze around the sides. And you're done. As you can see, that was really easy, and hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching.
That's what I was thinking.